Are you someone who is truly dependent on only one stream of income? Are you someone who feels insecure, nervous about your current income for the long run and are truly looking for alternate source of income? Then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Viral, and in this video I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should have multiple sources of income. Reason number 1: multiple streams of income equals to more financial security. Imagine if you are in a job currently and all of a sudden something happens to your job. What is going to happen? You might have a lot of financial instability. And if your family is dependent upon your income, it could actually devastate you and actually put into your mental trauma. Now, let's say if you are doing a job or you have a business that, let's say you are a copywriter or a content marketer and you already have a job and you're pretty good at your skills. Now, you start taking a lot of freelancing work, just for examples, or a lot of projects, and you start getting a lot of money because of that. Maybe you are taking some time extra after your work and fulfilling those gigs. Now, what is going to happen sometime is you're going to have 2 sources of income. Your main source of income, which is maybe your job or your business, plus some side income or hustling income. That actually will help you give more financial security, because let's say if you want to buy something tomorrow, you have to wait for the salary. Number 2, it may not be more appropriate to spend what you are actually earning, but that side income can actually motivate you to take more projects and truly buy things that you truly want, but not from your main source of income. So more streams of income will actually help you get more financial security. Even if something happens wrong with your main business, you still have a lot of side income that is actually helping you to do what you want without having to worry about only one stream of income. Reason number 2: preparing well for your contingency and emergency fund. We live in an uncertain world and you never know what could happen to you or your family members. It is so much important now that we take care of our future healthcare expenses. We don't know what is going to happen. Imagine you are only relied on one stream of income, that is your main stream of income, and God forbid, if anything goes wrong, you are removed from your job, your business comes to a standstill, and somebody in your family gets any emergency in terms of health issues or anything else, how would you actually take care of that? It would be so difficult. Imagine you want to retire. How would you peacefully retire knowing that you only have one stream of income? It is so difficult. So you got to understand that you got to start having multiple stream of income so that you can prepare for unforeseen situations. You can save up a lot of money for, let's say, insurance, your health expenses, even your retirement planning, so that anything that goes wrong, you are also having another source of income that can supplement it and make you more secure. Third, and the most important reason, is diversification. Now, this is one of the most important aspects in the financial terminology. Now, you got to understand diversification simply means not to put all your eggs in one basket. What would happen if that basket was not working? If things don't work, what is going to happen? Now, imagine the diversification. If you have only one stream of income, and what happens when that industry is dying? Let's say something bad happens to that industry, what is going to happen? How are you going to make it work for you? When I talk about diversification, let's take an example of COVID-19. What happened? A lot of people who only had one stream of income and only one way of getting it, that is, let's say, retailers who were having only a shop, they all had to shut down their business. Now imagine if you had multiple sources of income. Example, a person who is also selling in retail also has some source of income coming from online sales. What would have happened? Even if his sales would have gone zero for retail for some period of time, he would have doubled down on his activity or online sales and started making more and more money. Imagine if you were in a job in COVID-19 you got sacked and you already were doing freelancing job, what would have happened? You could have made more money even though the job did not, last people removed a lot of people in the job. Still with the side income or let's say gigs or the projects that you were doing, you could have taken more projects and made it work. So diversification is very, very key. Most people don't understand, few people actually do it. So you must be thinking, hey, Viral, you have spoken a lot, but truly, what is your source of income? Are you just talking or are you just someone, another guru, or you truly implement that? Now let me reveal to you what are my sources of income that actually helps me to be financially more secure. Number one is YouTube AdSense. I do get revenue from YouTube to produce content on the website. Number two, affiliate marketing for softwares. I do get a small commission month over month from a lot of softwares who actually buy through my link. So, consumers who truly need help, I give them a software link, and if they truly buy, I get a small tiny percentage from each of the software companies that makes up to my small stream of income. Third one is my own main business of advertising agency. When I run advertising agency, that's my third stream of income from my clients that we help them to manage on Amazon. Number four is my coaching business. So my coaching business also produces a revenue for me to help me get more and more money and be more financially secure. Number five is Amazon business. So I also sell on Amazon, and the money that I get after selling my products, that makes fifth stream of income for me. So here are my multiple sources of income that I am using currently to make more money and be more financially secure. Comment below what are your multiple sources of income and how are you doing it.